I see now, there will be a bump. So this kind of things you have to be cautious. You can't drive fast and blindly. Now we have entered Orissa state, and from now on these roads are of Orissa. So right now we have reached Puri, just opposite to the Puri hotel we are standing.
चल ढूंढ लाए सारी मासूम सी खुशियाँ चल भूल जाए फासले दरमियाँ किसने बनाया दस्तूर ऐसा
Good morning internet, welcome back to another new travel vlog. Currently, as you saw the few clips before, we are on a road trip to Puri. Before going to Puri, we have some walk in Bhubaneswar. So in this video, you will get to see a road trip from Kolkata to Puri. And I am visiting Puri after nearly Jan 2020 before the COVID time. Nearly around 2 years that I have not visited Puri. So me, my friend Supratik, and he is a new one in my channel. His name is Rick. So we three are going for the road trip. Basically, he has a work over there. That's why we are also accompanying him. Right now, we are just before Kolaghat. We will make a small breakfast break at Kolaghat. After that, we might stop in between. That you will get to see. So, welcome back to our channel, everyone. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like. So, stay tuned to the video and enjoy the road trip. Right now we have reached Kolaghat and we bought some snacks from here. We bought our tea from our home, so park the car in front over there. We'll have some tea with some biscuits and cakes, and then we will leave because since we leave at early morning, nearly around 5:30, we didn't have something except water. So now we'll be having those and leaving from here. I am putting video after a long time. Last I put is a Sunday vlog of cycling vlog because I was super busy in my office work and I didn't have time and content to post videos. So that's also a main reason. And since Supratik has some work in Bhubaneswar in his office or something like that, that's why I'm also accompanying him. I can also make a video of this road trip. After going to Bhubaneswar, we will have some 2 to 3 hours walk over there and then leave for Puri. And after reaching Puri, we will visit the local sightseeing of Puri. Also, I will show you in this video, in the next upcoming videos. For that, you have to stay tuned to the channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Let's have our tea and snacks, and we will leave from here. So there is a car park. So now we have left from Kolaghat, and next stop most probably will be at Balasore after entering Odisha. As per my knowledge, the roads are smooth. Let's see after the rains and all, as I am visiting here after a long time, let's see how is the condition of the road. So many are saying that after the rainfall, the roads of Odisha are pretty bad. So we'll get to see once we enter Odisha. But still now, the roads are quite good. Just exited the Debra Toll Plaza. So few kilometers more we will reach Kharagpur and we will take the Kharagpur bypass way. This is the third toll for today. First was at the Dakshineshwar bridge, then second was at the Dhulagor and third is Debra. Next toll most probably will be at the Kharagpur bypass. You can see over there is a little fog over on the right side. You can see over there around the main road, but the visibility is quite clear. But there is little fog. It is around 7:40 in the morning, and still in this time, after the sun gets up in the sky, then it will be completely clear. But now before The sun is not completely visible. You can see some bit of fog over there. I don't know whether you can. Currently, we are going through the Kharagpur bypass. Beside there is the Kharagpur town, and the roads here are totally, basically cement roads only, quite good. But due to see now, there will be a bump. So this kind of things you have to be cautious because the roads are very good. You can't drive fast and blindly, so you have to take care of the junctions. So be careful while riding on this road. But the roads are you saw quite good. And there is the Kharagpur town behind over there, and this is the bypass. So a few kilometers more, the toll plaza will come, and the roads are quite empty till now. But the main problem is when we will enter Odisha, it will be around 9 to 10. So in the between local towns, in the towns between on the highway, there we will get congestion. So in the West Bengal side, we won't get that much of congestion due to the morning time. But in Odisha, we will get the traffic. So there is always a plus point in leaving early and also a minus point also. Now we have entered Orissa state, and from now on these roads are of Orissa. So behind we left West Bengal. So this is the Orissa we have entered over here. Now more 60 kilometers around to Balasore. So there we are planning to take a halt. Currently, we just crossed Balasore town, and after this, there is some chai tapri over there. So we will stop over there and have something, and then leave straight to Bhubaneswar. This is going to be the last stop. But if in emergency case bio breaks, if we need to take, then we may stop. But let's stop and then I will talk with you.
मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर, सफर कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर.
Just stopped at Balasore, just opposite to the Birla Tyres factory. Behind that is the Birla Tyres factory, and on the opposite lane, it is totally packed up due to some rail crossing. Basically, the rail crossing is just seen just before this one. So this is personal for Birla Tyres for the transportation of their goods, and that's why it was closed. Now it is open, and then we came here. So here we are nearly around more 200 kilometers for Bhubaneswar. The main concern was of this road trip was of the cyclone. So a cyclone was supposed to hit at Odisha, but there is no sign of that. Basically, it was supposed to hit yesterday or day before yesterday. Till now, everything, the weather is perfect. Now the sun is up in the sky. So the weather is quite perfect and pleasant, not too much hot, not too much cold. While we head towards the noon time, the temperature will increase slightly, but let's see, you will also get to know how is the condition. Let's have our tea which we bought from our home, and then we will leave from here.
रास्तों से मेरी गहरी यारी हो गई, जो फर्ज से भरा था बस्ता वो भी खाली हो गया. बुरा है जमाना, तू चल टकर न कर अगर मगर, कैसा है ये सफर, मंजिलों की न है
a diversion before. So half of the roads, the Orissa side is filled with this diversion. The bridge are getting prepared, the overbridge are getting prepared because that's why the construction is still going on. And that's why there are many diversions that is killing the time. The average speed is also decreased, the average mileage is also decreased. Before it was given 20 km per liter mileage, now it is given 18.9. So 2 liters just decreased vastly due to this diversion and all because of the gear change and all, constant gear change and all.
पैरों को बांधे बेड़िया बताए सौ कहानियां तू रोशनी तू रंग है तू उड़ रही पतंग है बना है तू ढाने का सब आसमान है तो इस ज़माने का फैसला गुजर ऐसी राह से गुजर
So right now we are nearly around
40 किलोमीटर तो
nearly around 40 kilometers from our first stop. So it will take nearly around 45 minutes. I don't know, this time it is taking a long time to reach because by now we should have reached Puri actually before when we used to come. So we put a lot of diversion in between. That's why the time is getting consumed mainly. You can see the diversions in between. I have shown you. This is the update of the road condition from Kolkata to Puri, or you can say Kolkata to Vizag, Kolkata to Hyderabad, Kolkata to Chennai, and many more.
जी उठे हर घड़ी हर पहर
We are crossing the Mahananda river. On the left you can see. So after this Cuttack will come, and you can see due to the winter season everything is dry, all sand on the river. We have entered Cuttack now. This is the Cuttack city over here. This is the Cuttack city, and since it is noon time, so the traffic is more, as I told you earlier in this video.
कैसा है ये सफर मंजिलों
Right now, we just took a diversion from the highway and we went to the Cuttack city. So, how many kilometers more for our location, destination?
70
More 70 kilometers more. And since it is, we are going through the city traffic, that's why the time of arrival is slightly increasing. So, let's see. So, this is a dry river on the left hand side. Most of the rivers over here you can see like this only.
न है कोई खबर सफर कैसा है ये सफर मंजिलों की न है कोई खबर
So we just finished our walk. Now we are in a cafe. Just below here, this is the Suzuki motorbike showroom. Up top of that, this is the cafe. Cafe का नाम की जाना? The Big Bike Hub Cafe is the name of the cafe, and it is quite a cool place actually. Below is the bike showroom, and upper on the top floor. So it is around 3:35 now. So we can at least get out from here around 4:30. After that, we have to book a hotel also after reaching Puri. It was quite a hectic day actually. The outside weather is not that good because of the afternoon time. Evening time I think it would get pleasant. It's update till now. So we'll meet you after having our lunch. So we are done with all the things. It is around 4:20 now. It will take nearly around 1.5 hours to reach Puri. So after that we have to also find a hotel. So it was a good lunch for us, heavy lunch actually. So now let's go and meet you on the roads. So right now we have reached Puri, just opposite to the Puri hotel we are standing, and now we are figured out the stay for tonight. Only one night stay, so nothing that extraordinary we want, just for our sleep. Because after keeping our luggages at the hotel, we will instantly leave out and explore the beaches and as well as go do some shopping from the Swargodhar. So this was all. It was night time that's why I didn't show you the night road. But after the Bhubaneswar road, the Bhubaneswar bypass was quite good. The roads are quite good. But here, after entering Puri, the crowd are quite less because day before yesterday, the cyclone warning was there. That's why I guess the crowd are less. But there's a minimal crowd compared to the season time. During winter, many people come here because it doesn't matter whether it is Saturday, Sunday, or holiday. People gather here and come here to enjoy and chill. So same, but our reason was another reason because we had some walk in Bhubaneswar. That's why we came here. We decided to come here, do darshan of Jagannath Mandir, and then leave. So now let's check in and then I will continue. So we have just checked in our room, and this is the room from here. So now we'll be getting out after taking some 30 minutes break. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give the video a like, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. So basically, this was a completely raw road trip video. I don't know how it messed, so I will get to know after I edit. If you like this video, please do give the video a like. Till then, bye bye.